What does my research do? So we're in this beautiful woodland today, and people value this woodland in many different ways. One way is we could cut down the trees and sell it for timber in an economic market. And unfortunately, most of the decisions we make are based on those economic markets. And what that does is often ignore all the other great benefits from this woodland if we leave that woodland intact. So for example, trees store carbon, and that helps to reduce the impacts of climate change. They also slow down the passage of water and reduce flooding. So these are what are called regulating services. Woodlands like this also have many cultural benefits to people, so people enjoy looking at it, walking in these woodlands, and that gives you kind of spiritual, cultural benefits. So what my research tries to do is explore this whole range of benefits that people obtain from nature and hopefully feed them into decision making. Two key parts of research I've undertaken over the last few years have been linked to reports of the Intergovernmental Science Policy Platform for Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services, or IBES. The first assessment was their European and Central Asia assessment, where we explored the state of nature across the region. We looked at changes in the delivery of ecosystem services and also the value of those services. More recently, I chaired the IBES report called the Values Assessment. And within that report, we reviewed all the different ways people value nature, how we measure those values, and also how we feed those values in decisions to try and get more sustainable outcomes. So the decision reports that countries, when they make decisions at all levels from national to local policies, they need to incorporate the whole diversity of values of nature in those decisions. So the impact of this will be hopefully that those decisions will be helping to protect nature. So currently 1 million species are at threat of extinction, but also it will help to protect the benefits we as humans gain from nature and hopefully allow policies to be much more sustainable in the future.